Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best flute cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for any flutist, ensuring your instrument stays in top playing condition and extends its lifespan. Maintaining a clean flute not only improves its sound quality and responsiveness but also prevents the buildup of bacteria and grime that can affect your health and the instrument's delicate mechanisms. In this video, we will explore what makes a great flute cleaning kit and help you choose the perfect one to keep your beloved instrument shining and sounding its best. Number 5. Libretto Flute Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to keep your flute in top condition. It's designed for ease of use and includes everything from cleaning swabs to premium cork grease. We use only the finest, durable, and safe materials. The special lubricating oil is scientifically blended for optimal performance and longevity. This kit offers exceptional value. It's a smart investment that will save you money in the long run by extending the life of your instrument. It's ideal for students, musicians, or anyone who appreciates fine instruments. The handy carrying bag makes it a thoughtful and practical gift. It fits all standard flutes and piccolos. The kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit contains a cleaning swab, dust brush, cleaning cloth, pad dryers, and premium cork grease. Everything you need is right here. What we like? It has everything you need for complete flute care. The high-quality materials ensure your flute's longevity. If you're on a budget but want a great kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Great kit does the job easy to use and does not scratch the flute. It indeed collects the liquid. It reaches out to the cork. It dries the pads. Kit-like flute cleaning accessories for beginners and advanced players. Number 4. Flute Care Kit. This kit has everything you need for a thorough cleaning. It's lightweight and easy to take with you wherever you go. The long brush easily reaches all the way inside your flute to clean the inner tube. Its fluffy cotton body is gentle on your instrument. This brush has a soft side for delicate cleaning and a stiffer side for removing stubborn dirt and rust. It's perfect for detailed cleaning. Keep your instrument in top condition with the included premium cork grease. It provides excellent care for your instrument's cork. The durable cleaning rod and precision screw make maintenance and repairs easy. These tools are essential for keeping your flute in perfect playing condition. The kit also includes a pair of cotton gloves to protect your instrument and a cleaning cloth for polishing. Everything you need is right here. Don't worry if the cotton looks compressed. Simply fluff it up by hand or wash and dry it to restore its original shape. What we like? Its extra long brush reaches every part of your flute. The double-ended dust brush tackles all types of dirt. If you need a thorough cleaning and various tools, this kit is perfect. What people say? Well worth the price. Easy to use. Durable pieces. Everything you need for a flute starter cleaning kit. This kit was perfect since it came with items we didn't even knit we would need. Easy to use cleaning kit. Number 3. Flute Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to keep your flute in top condition. It's designed for easy use and will help extend the life of your instrument. Use the swab to gently clean moisture from inside the flute's body. Its design makes cleaning quick and simple. Keep your flute's keys moving freely with this specially formulated key oil. It reduces wear and tear, ensuring smooth playing. This soft bristled brush easily cleans the flute's inner cavity. Its gentle bristles won't scratch the delicate interior. The cleaning rod and cloth work together to effectively remove moisture and debris from inside the flute. This ensures a clean and hygienic instrument. With this kit, maintaining your flute is easy and efficient. Enjoy playing your flute for years to come. What we like? This kit includes key oil to keep your keys smooth. The tools are simple to use, even for beginners. If you prioritize ease of use and key maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say? The two main things I like are that the soft cleaning material goes completely around the end of the cleaning rods and the kit includes a cleaning cloth with a weighted string so I can get around the inside of the curved head on my alto flute. This kit comes with everything that's needed for flute cleaning and maintenance. She keeps the kit in her locker at school to use as she needs it. She's had it for a couple months now and it's holding up nicely and does exactly what it's meant to do. Number 2. ROFFEE Flute Cleaning Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your flute in top condition. It's perfect for students, musicians, and anyone who loves playing the flute. We use only the highest quality materials, ensuring superior performance and longevity. The special valve oil is scientifically formulated for optimal results. The kit includes a childproof cap on the oil bottle, adding an extra layer of safety for families. It's a thoughtful addition for peace of mind. Regular maintenance with this kit will keep your flute's keys flexible and responsive. It reduces wear and tear, extending the life of your instrument. This kit helps maintain the key levers, keeping them flexible and responsive. This makes playing easier and more enjoyable. Looking for a gift for a musician? This kit is a thoughtful and practical present for any flute player, at any skill level. It's universally compatible with most flute brands. This kit offers exceptional value. You get everything you need for complete flute care at an affordable price. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return or exchange it for free. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like? It's a comprehensive kit with everything you need for flute maintenance. It offers excellent value for your money. If you're looking for a great gift or a budget-friendly option, this is it. What people say. This kit has all you need for cleaning a flute. I like that it had the oil for the keys. Many kits don't come with it. It's definitely worth the money. Works great. Easy to use. Number 1. Cecilio Flute Care Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your flute in top condition. It's easy to use and includes all the essential tools for cleaning and maintenance. It's made with high-quality materials, ensuring that it will last. You can trust it to effectively clean and protect your instrument. Get professional-level flute care without the professional-level price tag. It's more affordable than what you'll find in music stores. This kit is perfect for flutes and piccolos. Use it to clean, dry, and maintain your instrument, keeping it playing its best. It's ideal for students and beginners. It's simple enough for anyone to use, making flute care easy and straightforward. The kit includes a cleaning rod, swabs, cork grease, a polishing cloth, and a key brush. Everything you need is right here. What we like? This kit contains all the essentials for flute maintenance. It's made with high-quality materials, ensuring effective cleaning. If you want a reliable and affordable kit, this is a great option. What people say. The hanky swab and polishing cloth are finished in a way to keep them from falling apart at the edges. The coil swab is also very handy for cleaning my head joint well. The key brush was useful to get all the bits of dust and cat hair out of the small areas on my flute. Contrary to the picture, these 2-end swab is huge. It fits perfectly in the entire flute end-up drying process, and I firmly trust this unique item will substitute all others big fat disturbing swab brushes. As for the cloth, those are both just great, one for first drying off extensive moisture in the flute, the other for finishing with the convenient heavy end strap attached. The pull-through swab and the coil swab is fine size for a flute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.